What's up, everybody? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. First things first, sorry I didn't go live yesterday. I don't have to work very often on Mondays, but yesterday I had to work Monday night, and I don't know why, but I totally overslept. And so I just really quickly charted and posted my levels. Hopefully, it helped you guys some. They faded us a little bit here, but hopefully somebody was able to take this and make money. With that said, let's go ahead and erase stuff. They didn't do much today. Previous day value area high and November value area high are basically the same level. You can combine those two. I'm not. We have a capital P. The POC is a little bit lower. They almost did a double distribution. It was close. But yeah, we have a capital P profile. Poor low, poor high. Hopefully everybody had a good day. I traded a little bit this morning, not a lot. Did all right. I'll just show you guys. I restarted my account. I don't remember what day, but the 10th. I've actually been taking a lot of trades. But yeah, today just made like 3% basically. I think this day was live. Where we took 2 losses. One was a big loss because my right when I entered the trade, my software crashed, and then by the time I got back in, I was already being stopped out. I didn't have a chance to adjust my levels. But then our win was also big. We took $1,000 win that day, live. Excuse me. I feel like my energy is like, and I don't know why. Anyway, let's check out Fear and Greed. We are probably in fear or neutral, somewhere right around here. Yeah. Calendar for tomorrow. Oh, we have FOMC tomorrow. Interesting. So tomorrow morning's probably going to be choppy. An hour before open, we have core durable goods and durable goods orders month over month. And then 1 p.m. FOMC meeting minutes. So it'll probably be a pretty choppy morning. And then extremely volatile in the afternoon. Let's zoom out. They did pretty much exactly what we expected, right? We were expecting them to come either back to the midpoint or the bottom of this box before we bounce and go higher. Today, volume is decent, not great. I'm actually still kind of expecting a little bit more downside, but we'll see what happens. I already know my cluster charts are not going to offer much, but let's just look at them anyway, just in case. Hey, what's up, Jack? All right, let's start with our cluster chart. Yeah, there's really not much of anything. Let's look at our footprint chart. See if there's any imbalances. I don't think there is. Oh, stop doing that. Okay, do whatever you want. Yeah, nothing. Basically, the real only thing that it's showing is at the top up here. There's some significant order flow, but even still, it's not worth marking because we would still want them to clean up the poor high and then come back inside. And then kind of the same thing down at the bottom. There's a lot of order flow right through here. But also I would like them to clean this up and then come back inside. So nothing where I'm going to be immediately clicking buy or sell based on the cluster charts and footprint charts. I think the safest trades would be clean up this poor high, come back inside, retest, and then enter puts. Calls. As I'm looking at this, I'm like, gosh, this would be a lot easier to trade live. And the plan is to trade live tomorrow. So what I'm showing here, I mean, really on any of these, you can get back in as soon as they cross. You don't have to necessarily wait for the retest. But the retest is the safer option. If we peak below, specifically the poor low or the poor high, peak above it, as soon as they come back in, you can hop in, calls or puts, vice versa. Waiting for a retest would be the smarter, safer trade, but that also means that you might miss the trade. Alrighty. If you guys have any questions, now would be the time. All right. Doesn't look like we have any questions. I hope you all have a good rest of your evening, and I should see you in the morning. As always, much love, much respect to everybody. Peace out.